NQ futures trading, like always, we're going to go over the context and what triggered the trade entry. Why did I do what I did? Okay, first off, let's go ahead and look at the context. What we have here is the 5 minute. Okay, we see price went up, it got caught in all this congestion. But here's the thing, you can see this bar right here, see that? And then this bar right here. So this was its chance to break up. This was it. It was coming. It was going up, but then it failed. On the very next bar, you see this red bar shooting straight down. So right there, I'm thinking, okay, it tried to go up. It couldn't go up. There's a good possibility that it's going to make a run to the downside. Now, when it made this long bar down, I'm also looking over here, always at the volume bar footprint. I don't know how people trade without the volume bar footprint, but we're looking at it. Here we see all the volume, right? We see 2.3 times the volume. You see that? Let's look at this right here. Boop. 2.3 times the volume. Price tried to shoot up and it could not continue up. Price now comes down, and what do we see? We see this over here. We see these points of control. They're all consolidating down here at the bottom. So price came down, points of control, the major volume is down towards the bottom. I'm thinking, okay, this is the opportunity for it to keep coming down. Let's see what happens. All right, this is super exciting to watch. Okay, here it comes. See this price building up down here. Look at that. Okay, so let me show you something. See how these were in the hundreds right here? This was at 2, it comes down 106.97. So this is what's triggering my entry, right? I'm seeing that the point of control is now lowering. Now, obviously, it could come back up. But the context shows me that it already tried to make a run up, and it couldn't do it. It failed. And so now it's coming down. So now I'm thinking, all right, it's coming down. The volume here on the point of control is coming lower. So I'm thinking that's a good chance that it's going to keep coming down. So let's go ahead and play it some more. And there you can see I get in. And of course, as soon as I get in, the market goes against me because it loves me so much. All right, so this is on the 1 minute chart. I'm looking at this. Okay, so I see that there's this area right here. Okay, you can see it, and I feel, here, let's go ahead and mark this out, right here and right here, you see? Boom, boom, okay? So what I'm thinking is, hey, that was an area of support. If it can break down, it's probably going to keep going, so let's go ahead and check it out. This is not exciting. Let me go ahead and fast forward this a little bit because I'm bored. Okay, back on the 5 minute, you can see those areas right here where I was just talking about. See what happens. There's no reason for me to get out of this trade, even though it's coming up a little against me, because it already bounced off. It already tried to make the run up. So I just don't think it's going to try it again. I could be wrong. It happens every day. Ask my wife. But I'm thinking it could probably keep coming down. Oh my God, this is killing me, dude. Let's fast forward this. All right, there it comes. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful volume right here. Look at that gorgeous 2.1. It's really building up that selling volume. So this could be dangerous, if it builds up and then shoots up, that's going to be a sign to get out. But right now, it's coming down. You see that high volume right there, POC, it's really coming down, and this is super exciting. Wow. All right, let me go and fast forward this because I'm getting bored. And boom, there you go. Clears it for $3,000. So, when you get the plan, you got to stay with the plan. And the plan today was I saw this volume, tried to push up. It couldn't push up. When it starts working its way back down after a failed run up, there's a good chance it's going to keep going down. And, not getting greedy, I'm thinking it could go further, but, I'm going to get my points and I'm going to get out.